Hey, this is great. You doing good? Good biz? I was thinking of buying like a really, really large, like almost the size like a wall. I love Trump poster. Do you have one of those?
Where do we get these fucking idiots from? Can you tell me? Fucking idiots that say stuff like that.
All right, I'm Sasha.
Hi, Emily.
So what's your situation? What's going on?
I'm just single in the city and navigating the dating world.
What's your usual way of meeting people?
Just by conversation, I guess. I do use the dating apps, though.
Those are no good.
Yeah.
Get your ass out there.
Yeah.
Go and do new and exciting things. Get out of your comfort zone.
Yes.
Do things that are fun for you, but things maybe you haven't explored.
Mm-hmm.
Meet new people that way. As long as you're doing something that's actually exciting, it raises your frequency, your consciousness. You're more happy and excited doing these new things.
Mm-hmm.
And in those places, you'll meet new people. They're going to see that you're excited.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be able to connect on that level. Oh, that's amazing. That means you guys can never break up now, because then you have to slice the dog in half. That's not right. No, you should never do that. But you guys want to talk about maybe some things in the relationship you could get even better? I'm not a psychologist. I was sort of an internet famous pickup artist, so I would go and I would pick up chicks, then I'd go and have sex with them.
Tell us a good story of picking up someone on the street. What was the quickest time it ever went from approach to...
Girl coming in my house? 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Hey, what's up? How's it going? You're hot. You want to I live right here. Are you serious? Yeah, this is my house right here. All right, let's go. She came in. Yeah, about 60 seconds. I'm not proud of it, but yeah, that was the day. Those were the days where I was just trying to bang chicks as quickly as possible, and that's what I did. Girls like it. Some of them. I like how you looked at her then. She just went, yep, see? Well, look, slutty is a negative connotation word. You mean sexually open and loving and free woman who's unafraid of expressing her sexuality? Yes, I love those girls too. They're great. And if you see a cute guy, don't avoid eye contact. Just, like, look at him, and when he looks at you, look away and be like, hee hee. Then look at him again, and then if he sees you again, look away. And then as long as the guy is, that's happened twice, guys will know, like, oh, this girl likes me.
Oh, sure. I should look away twice.
Most girls are just like, oh yeah, there's a cute guy, but don't look at him. Like, no, look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him. What are you doing?
Do I say something to him?
Here's the thing. Give him the opportunity, act friendly, be open.
Yeah.
Try and get him to come over to you. But if he doesn't and he's leaving wherever it is,
How do I try to get him to come over to me?
just by all you can do is be open.
Yeah.
But if he doesn't make the move, there's nothing wrong with you coming up to him and just being like, hey, what's up? I saw you looking at me. You gonna ask for my number or not? Yeah, be bold. Guys need a little kick in the ass sometimes. Most of them are pussies.
Yeah.
Sorry, but most guys are pussies.
This is true.
So don't be afraid. It doesn't make you a bad person. All us human beings need companionship.
Mm-hmm.
So, and we all need to have a little bit more faith and take a few more chances to make that happen.
Okay.
That's it, girl.
Good advice. Thank you.
You don't have a I Love Trump posters? Well, you're selling anti-Trump, but you make just as much money selling I Love Trump, right? So you're a businessman. It's America. So why would you only have one and not the other? That doesn't even make sense. You want to get out of here, or you want to have a genuine conversation about how to love each other more and have a deeper and more profound connection with each other? No, it's a real question. Are you interested in having more love? Are you interested in having genuinely more love between yourselves? Because that's what I'm about now. That's what I'm about now. That's what I'm about now. Now I'm about consciousness, love, self-love, healing, consciousness. That's what I'm about. That was how I got internet famous. That's what you asked me, but that's not what I'm about now. I've changed. That's right. You can find me that way. I only want to talk about how we heal our trauma, fully love and accept ourselves, and connect with people on the deepest possible level. But if you're not interested in that, yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. That's totally cool. Well, you can look me up. Ciao. The dog can stay.
It doesn't make sense to you because you think like a fucking idiot.
But you have all the anti-Trump. You'd make twice as much money if you had pro-Trump.
That's how Trump people think, okay? That's not how I think.
I think you should get some Trump stuff.
Okay, you
It's
set
a-
up a Trump booth right there and
it's
see
a-
how much business you get.
It's a little bit one-sided. I think it's a little unfair to only allow people who don't like him to express themselves. You know. So you don't have the poster I want, huh? I'm just busting your balls. I'm not pro-Trump. I'm not anti-Trump either. I don't believe in government. I'm against all of it. Hopefully, you'll see the comedy in the situation. Maybe in the next life. I love you. Keep not smiling. He was not happy at all. Come on, let's laugh. Yeah, you'll love what I just did.
Did you know I'm actually teaching direct dating courses in the flesh this year in Europe and North America? Did you know that? All the details are below, so click the link and maybe I'll see you soon.